I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're a Lyft driver and need to unlock your earnings, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Open the Lyft driver app. Launch the Lyft driver app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your driver account to access your earnings. Step 2. Navigate to the Earnings tab. Once you're in the app, look for the Earnings tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to view your current earnings and any pending amounts. Step 3. Check for unlock requirements. In the Earnings section, check for any notifications or requirements that need to be met to unlock your earnings. This may include completing a certain number of rides or verifying your account information. Step 4. Complete required rides. If there are ride requirements, make sure to complete them. For example, if you need to complete 3 more rides to unlock your earnings, focus on that before trying again. Step 5. Request support if needed. If you've met all requirements and still can't unlock your earnings, contact Lyft support through the app. Go to the help section and submit a request for assistance. Remember, sometimes it takes a little time for the system to update, so be patient. Good luck out there, and happy driving.